I am Dana Davis. I am happy to be your teacher in digital photography. Welcome. You may call me Dana. You may call me Mr. Davis. You can call me Professor Davis if you wish. We're here to make photographs, and that I think is a most amazing opportunity. It's been part of my life for as long as I can remember, and I am excited to see it become a bigger part of your lives. Um, of course, we all make photographs. We've been making photographs, I don't know. Well, most of you are probably a little younger than me and use this thing like the tool that it is. This is more my speed from mid-century, 1950, 60. Anyway, whichever the tool, they all make photographs. And the fascination with capturing what one can see and often revealing things you didn't see at the same time is an essential part of both, and has been for the past 175 years. The photography turned vision around when it came along in 1839. It was born like Venus, whole, ready to seduce, full grown, marvelous tool, and has been used with fascination and enjoyed since then. Anyway, we're gonna do this. Mostly, we are going to be making pictures. We will, however, have a little bit of nuts and bolts because this is a tool. It can work with you or against you. If you know how to turn the screws, you'll be able to work the tool. If you don't, you're going to be either you'll be a victim of automatic for the rest of your life, or you'll be able to take command, put it on manual, and make it do what you see. Not all of us maybe are going to have, we're going to talk a little bit more about machines in a later posting, but we'll be using cameras, preferably a digital DSLR, a little bit pricey, a point and shoot, which I bought a great one for $4 at Salvation Army. Your phone is not your best camera. So we'll talk more about that. I love that the camera is a channel to the unseen. Most of what we see after a certain age, let's say 3, most of what we see is basically recognizing what we already know. Oh, yes, that's a dog. Okay, and then what you know about dogs sort of takes over and tells you what you're seeing, explains, clarifies, allows you to ignore the details. The camera doesn't quite work that way. It'll show you stuff you didn't see. It'll show you stuff you were unaware of, unable to recognize, outside of your immediate vision, and becomes a channel to the unseen world. And I mean that. So let's see what we can do with them. And I'm going to see what I can do with this video thing. I'm going to ask you to bear with me. This is going to be a bit of a challenge for me and perhaps for some of you in how we work this distance learning. I believe we can, and I believe we don't have a choice. So thanks. Talk to you later. Thank you. Oh, here comes my cat.